Keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with a remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap.
A very warm welcome to all the students of Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. Standard 5th. Subject Environmental Studies Part 1. Topic Busy at Work or Internal Organs Part 1. Let us start our topic, students. Students, processes like respiration, digestion go on inside the body continuously with the help of certain organs. Let us learn something about these processes and the organs that carry them out. Let us learn one by one. The first one is respiration. Students, we need air, water, and food to live. It is necessary for all the body to get a continuous supply of oxygen. We get this oxygen from the air through breathing. That is why we breathe continuously. In our body, there are organs that carry out this work of respiration. Let us understand with the help of diagram. The diagram above shows our respiratory system. When we inhale, the air from outside goes into the trachea and through its branches into the lungs. In the lungs, these branches divide further into small and small branches. At the end of the last branches, there are air sacs or alveoli. Between the thoracic cavity and abdominal cavity, there is an organ like a flexible sheet. It is known as diaphragm. The diaphragm and its movement. Let us understand, students. When the diaphragm moves downward, we breathe in and the incoming air fills the alveoli in the lungs. When the diaphragm moves upward, the air in the lungs is pushed out. Let us go ahead and understand exchange of gases. When the outside air reaches the alveoli, the oxygen in it passes into thin blood vessels around the alveoli. With the blood, it is carried to all the parts of the body. At the same time, the carbon dioxide that is brought by the blood from all the parts of the body enters the air in the alveoli. When we inhale, the carbon dioxide is also given out with the help of the air. In this way, an exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide gases takes place in the alveoli. Do you all know, students, dust and smoke particles may be present in the air, in the atmosphere. They may even be disease producing microorganisms. They are harmful for the body. The inner lining of respiratory organs have fine hair-like structure called as cilia. On this inner lining, there is also a layer of sticky substance called as mucus. The dust and the smoke particles stick to this substance. Thus, the harmful substance in the air cannot reach the lungs. The effect of smoking. If one keeps smoking over a long period of time, the toxic substances in the smoke collect in the respiratory. As a result, the air that enters the lungs is not sufficiently purified, and the impurities in the air begin to accumulate in the lungs. As a result, the efficiency of the lungs is reduced. the livelihood of getting diseases of the lungs increases. Let us go ahead and understand what is passive smoking. If there are people around us who smoke, then we may have to face the consequences of smoke even if we don't smoke. That is why there is now a ban on smoking in public places. That's all for the day, students. Keep learning new things every day.